Love you, Jay.
Okay, I thought my week trial run. All right, so listen. I gotta tee up for real. All right, so listen. Not that. All right, listen. Can I ask y'all something?
Oh,
I can ask y'all.
yeah. Yeah, you can ask us something.
What's up?
What's the question?
Why y'all? You know what I'm saying? Come with that energy right now. I'm feeling the energy through the screen. Like
Bro, I'm not
All we
looking.
asked was, what's the question? We ain't say nothing.
you ain't say nothing, eh? You ain't say nothing. Yeah.
What's the question?
All right, so listen. All right, so boom.
Hold up, let me pause my video.
On some real shit, listen. I want to grow up to be what do you call them? A caricature. You know them people that be drawing people at the amusement parks. You know them folks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Tight shit. So listen, I just wanted to, you feel me, just practice because I start my day, you know what I'm saying, next week. So I wanted to practice a little bit before I hop up on there. You feel me? So you thinking I could like draw one of y'all on some shit real quick?
You could draw her. You could draw her.
I can barely see her at. Well, actually, no. Hold on. All right. You gotta stay still though. All right.
You finna do me so dirty.
Nah. On some real shit. This my passion on some shit. All right. Come on. Let me see.
You finna f my shit up, bro.
Nah, you straight. Come on. All right. So boom, that's your head shape. Boom. Okay. Draw
I'm scared.
the face in that bit. Cause I start my day next Friday on some shit.
You better hope people watch you.
Yeah, cause
I'm
what
gonna
I'm saying.
ugly.
Yeah, cause I gotta practice. You feel me?
Right.
Alright, now you know what I'm saying? Get a little boom.
Bro, pray for me, bro. It better be good.
Alright. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
You see it? Is that not you? That's that's
don't
you.
go to your
That's for sure.
Don't go to your thing.
That's you, nigga. What do you mean don't go to my shit? Can I ask y'all something? Look. Alright, so look. So boom. Next Friday, you feel me? I go to my new job, you feel me? At the, you know what a caricature is, right? Y'all know what that is?
A what?
Y'all probably don't know what that is. But it be them, you can't hear me?
We can now.
Alright, bet. So do y'all know what a caricature is?
No.
You know them people that be at the amusement parks, drawing folks?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for sure. So listen.
He finna.
My big day is next Friday, so I gotta practice. You feel me? So I was wondering, can I draw y'all?
Sure.
Alright, for sure. Alright, y'all gotta stay still, alright? Don't be moving the camera. You feel me? All crazy.
Hold on, let me fix my.
Don't be moving the camera. Yeah, fix your hair. Get right. You feel me? Get right. You know what I'm saying? Do what y'all gotta do. Feel me? Just let me know when y'all ready. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Oh, alright, for sure. Just making sure. Alright. I can't be doing all that moving now. Alright. Draw the braids in there. Or some shit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You done. Alright, next person. Little bonnet.
Very
stupid. Draw the little bonnet.
Take too long.
Hold on. I'm almost done.
Speed it up.
Yo, fuck is you so impatient for? Hold on. Give me like 2 seconds.
Cause I feel like you finna draw.
I'm getting y'all right. That's all y'all need to worry about. I'm getting y'all right, alright?
Oh, bitch.
Make sure y'all take screenshots too after y'all done.
Alright,
for sure. Gotta draw the eyebrow. Oh, I forgot to draw the eyebrow on this one.
The foot's take too long.
Alright. Y'all ready? Y'all see it?
Can I screenshot that?
Yeah, go ahead. You feel me? It's a masterpiece, ain't it? You know what I'm saying?
Fuck no. And bitch, you thought you was funny with that nose? You thought you ate?
You think I'm ready for next Friday?
No.
I think I ate this the fuck up. You feel me? Like I think I'm ready for next
That
Friday.
you thought you ate with the nose?
I think I'm ready for next Friday.
You're not.
Why she so mad? I think I'm ready. I'm a caricature, right? You know what that is?
No.
All right, so basically, like, you know the people that be at the amusement park drawing folks?
Right.
Yeah, for sure. So look, that's what I am, right? And next Friday, I start my job at this amusement park next Friday on some shit. So I kind of got to practice. So I was wondering, can I draw you?
Sure.
All right, bet. You got to stay still, though, all right?
All right, hold on, look at.
You trying to get right?
No, I'm trying to turn my TV down because this up got the TV. Sky High, like it's not 4 o'clock in the morning.
All right, for sure.
This is going.
Let me draw him, too. I got you, little bro. I'm going to draw you, too. Draw the mouth in. And then I'm going to draw little bro right there. Draw a body. Draw a little big ass head. Alright. Y'all ready?
Sure.
That good?
And it looked just like him in the middle.
You fuck with that? Y'all
It
fuck with
looked
that?
just like him. That looked just like him.
Y'all think the job want to send me with this?
Hey, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah, like, yeah. I hold on. I can't even see it. I love the truth. You draw better than me.
That don't look nothing like that. You made my eye look like I'm like cross-eyed type shit.
What you mean?
You got my eye like
This is a
lifting up
speed
than my
run,
other
though.
side.
You feel me? It's a like a speed run, though. We ain't got
But
all
you
the
shouldn't
time
be
in the world.
speeding.
You feel me? We ain't got all the time in the world, so you know I kind of gotta go a little quick. You feel me?
Why you drawing with a pen?
Why would I draw with a pencil?
That's what they do. They use a little thingy though.
Exactly. But I know what I'm doing.
They don't use pens.
I know what I'm doing. I don't know. Maybe it's just cause your camera messing up, but in my shit, it looks identical. Like when I'm looking, like you feel me? I think your camera just messing up, to be honest. Cause are we looking at the same drawing? I'm pretty sure I just did like a sculpture on some shit. I did. I'm pretty sure I did. You draw better than me, bro?
Yes.
Can you prove that?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. Draw me, bro.
Huh?
Draw me. Yo, bro, did you sculpt me already, bro? Like, dang, what is it? I can't see. What is my mouth? What is that?
I told you I don't give a fuck.
Why do I got a beak? Why I got waves? Why I got waves?
How am I supposed to know what this head look like? What book? This that's me not trying.
That's me?
Yeah, and that's me not trying.
Where my hair at? Huh? I thought I had waves. I got twists hanging.
I don't give a fuck.
I did draw his hair.
I don't got
hot
no
top
afro.
fade. I drew his hair.
I got a flat top.
Same difference. I still drew his hair though. Close enough. So look, I'm a caricature, right? And I got the job next Friday. That's when I first start. So I really got to tee up before next Friday on some shit. So I was wondering, bro, can I draw you, bro? Just so I can practice for next Friday?
Yeah.
All right, for sure. Listen, you can't make no like crazy ass movements, bro, because I might fuck up. All right.
How long is it gonna take?
Shit, about not even 2 minutes. You know I'm gonna be like this, bro. Not even 2 minutes.
Alright, let's see.
I bet. Gotta stay still, bro. Alright, come on. Let me see. Want me to do that same pose and everything?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. I got you, bro. Alright, the hair gonna be the easiest thing to.
And I do this one, do this one.
You throwing Naruto signs? Fuck. Alright.
Yeah. It was getting tiring.
Yeah, bro. You should. I don't know why you threw that up, bro. I know your ass gonna get tired from that, bro. Draw that French mustache.
Yeah.
Yup. A little more of the hair. Okay. Draw the ear. You don't want to do the little thing anymore?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. There you go. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was fucking good.
Yeah.
It's
That's
good as
you,
fuck. Hey,
bro.
bring it down. Bring it down.
You see
No,
it?
like put it closer. Put it closer. Like bring it closer. Yeah.
That's you.
Thank you, bro.
That's you,
Thank you.
gang. That's
You
you.
gonna get you gonna get far in life for sure. You getting
Yeah.
far. Keep that shit up.
For
Keep that shit up.
sure, for sure. All right, bet, bro.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, gang. Yes, sir. See, dude, bro. W mans, bro. I don't even know who he is, but W mans, bro. Long ass finger, bro. Can I ask y'all
Even when
something?
what?
What?
Look. So look, I'm a caricature, right? You know what that is?
No.
No.
All right, so you know them niggas that be at the amusement parks drawing niggas, right?
Mhm.
Oh yes.
That be that me. So I was wondering, can I draw y'all? Cause I start my job there next Friday. Feel me?
Oh
Yeah,
yes,
you
you can
can.
draw me.
All right, can I get like a full like face? Cause I can't.
Why I'm back?
Okay. Want me to draw both of y'all?
Yeah.
All right, for sure. All right.
Let me look cute.
Listen, y'all can't be making no sudden movements. All right.
I.
All right, for sure. All right. Draw the bonnet. Right there. All right.
Please don't bullshit.
I'm never about no bullshit. This is about my career. I'm a serious young man.
Wait, do you gotta go fast when you do it in the park?
I mean, it depends. If we about to close, I ain't even start yet. What the fuck am I talking about?
Are you on Twitch?
Mm-mm.
He said if we about to close.
If we about to close, yeah, I go a little bit fast. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to get out of here. All right, I'm done. Y'all ready?
Hold on, before you start this. If
I'm
this is
finna
good, like, how am I gonna get it? Like, am I gonna do I come to your house?
Screenshot. I don't know.
That's what I'm finna do.
Screenshot. All right, y'all might as well get the screenshot ready. Y'all might as well hold y'all hand on y'all little volume button and the little power button at the same time. All right.
I'm already
Yeah,
ready.
I'll
All right,
phone.
for sure. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that shit, ain't it?
Well, I thought he was gonna actually do something.
That's y'all.
I thought he was
Wait, which one me?
the piece.
This is the one in the cover. You see the blanket right here, and this is
Oh,
you.
Why
okay.
we both? Why we both
Oh,
looking
okay. It's
up?
not so bad. We look like bobbleheads though.
Yeah. It look like I got a bun.
I just want to know. I
Y'all,
take
I
very.
hope y'all got y'all screenshots, cause you know what I'm saying.
I did.
Yeah.
It's gonna go
Type
in
shit.
his
Type shit. Yeah.
picture.
I take this personally.
Might as well put that on y'all story right now.
I am.
Yup.
You want me to tag you?
Yeah, for sure.
Gotcha.
Nah, that's funny, bro. Yo, guy. What's good, man? What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Hi.
Yo, can I ask you something?
Uh, are you like a streamer?
Mm-mm. I'm a caricature. That's basically like the question I was about. You think I could draw you real quick?
Hell no.
Hell no. You
Hell
gonna
no.
let me practice?
Hell no.
Why not?
Hell no.
I'm just trying to practice. Why can't I practice?
I think you should find another profession.
You didn't even see my drawing yet. I should find another profession.
Yeah.
You didn't even see my drawing. How you know I can't draw?
All right, where your drawings at?
I really want to see my drawing, man. Look.
Let me see.
Oh, you missed it. See? It costs $10. Can't see that.
Let me see.
It's like a lock character. You gotta. It's $10.
Hold it back up real quick.
Oh.
Oh, fuck no. Get you another career path.
What you mean?
Oh, fuck no.
I'm fire. What? You saying
Fuck
that's
no.
not fire?
It's like, I'll do that shit.
You're telling me that's not fire? That's
I'm-
fire.
No,
That's
the fuck.
fire.
No, it's not.
That's fire.
No, the fuck it's not.
See, I really feel like you're trying to play me, and I don't really like that type
I'm
of
not.
respect. So you're basically saying I should just give up I shouldn't go to that joint next Friday.
Yeah, just stay home and get on Indeed and find something else to do.
Get on Indeed, eh? Jazz, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
All right, so Pete, look, I'm a caricature, right? You know what that is? You probably don't.
No.
All right, so you know the people that be at the amusement parks drawing, feel me? So look, boom, I start my job there next Friday on some shit, feel me?
Yeah.
So I'm coming on here because I need practice, you feel me? Before I go out there just drawing folks and hand it to them, you see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
So can I draw you?
Yeah.
I bet I got you.
I'm excited to see this.
Oh, you better be excited, cause this look good already. You feel me?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm ready. You ready? Get
Let's
that
rate it.
get that screenshot ready. Get that
Okay.
screenshot ready. All right. You ready?
Oh, sorry. Ready?
3, 2.
Skip. Skip. Pause. Okay.
Yeah.